In this video, I'll guide you on how to get the Chase Sapphire card. Now, because of certain restrictions, I won't be able to show the exact inside process step by step. But listen carefully as I explain so you'll know exactly what to do and what to expect. So, the Chase Sapphire card is one of the most popular travel rewards credit cards, and there are two main versions: the Sapphire Preferred and the Sapphire Reverse or Reserve. So to apply, the first thing you'll need to do is visit the official Chase website or open your Chase mobile app. So if you already have an account from there, search for this Chase Sapphire and under credit cards, and you'll see the options available. So when you click the apply now, Chase will ask you for your personal and financial information. So this includes the your name, address, and your social security number, income, and employment details. So make sure you enter everything accurately since Chase uses this to decide if you are qualified. So let's wait for it. So in here, you'll see the benefits of having the Sapphire Reverse or Reserve. So you can earn 125,000 bonus points after you spend $6,000 on your purchase. So after that, one important thing that you need to know is that Chase has an unofficial rule called the 524 rule. This means if you've opened five or more credit cards in the last 24,000 or 24 months before from any bank, you're most likely not going to be approved. So keep that in mind before you apply. So once you submit your applications, you'll either get an instant decision or Chase may need a few decisions to review it. So if you're approved, your new Sapphire card will be mailed to you. So usually within a week or two, and you can start using it right away. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.